Google. Let's go get them again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to another unboxing first impression video on my channel. Today we are delving into the brand of Vilhelm Parfumerie, and this one I've spoken about since my return on YouTube several times. Finally gets its unboxing. I finally got the bottle. Let's talk about this fragrance, Mango Skin. Now this fragrance was split for me back in July of 2021, so it's been a while. And after being away from YouTube, I finally get to give you my take on this one. I sampled it, as you saw, fell in love with this mango top note. The best mango top note I've smelt within my journey. You don't get much best in class when you're sniffing out like I do with a collection that I have, but this is a best in class moment. Other mango scents have a huge hill to climb if they want to beat out this one right here. The one thing about this particular release is that it really intrigued me on the note of mango. I don't have too many in my collection. I could probably count on one hand on how many I have. So I want to sample more of the set. So since this fragrance was a split, I do have my box. It's somewhere around here, but I'm not going to unbox it. But as you can see, it has been split. There's about 35% left. So I've been wearing it a lot. But let's... anybody that's stumbling upon this video, let's delve into it. Most of my diehards have heard me talk about this release, so this is going to be my scent of the day today. And yeah, that mango top note is beautiful. But there's other fruity nuances to this release too. There is, in my personal opinion, they talk about a berry note. I feel like this is more of a black currant than anything. So it's a fruit cocktail up top. How can I explain this? That it's very unique in a way that it has that tartness. And I've only smelt that kind of tartness in a handful of fragrances. There's only so many that can do this. There's not too many citruses out there that can give you a 3D idea. This one, this fruit, it just has, it reminds me a little bit of Pulp by Rado, which is one of my favorite fruity scents of all time. It has that tartness, that sourness to the fragrance. And this has it too. It has some muskiness in the backbone. And a lot of these fruity scents, there's not much as a backbone per se. It's either like a white musk to kind of give it some depth. It's going to have some florals in the backbone. This one does. It has a whole floral mid in this fragrance. It doesn't really bother me as far as, does this go a little feminine? Yeah, it can. But for me, I feel like this is a unisex fragrance. But the star of the show is that mango, realistic mango up top, sweet, tropical, fruity. And again, with that black currant note, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's juicy, it's sparkling. It has all that in this release. And this opening, one of the best fruity openings of all time. And that's why I don't have much of it left, even though I got it split. But I am looking for a secondary bottle because I'm going through this fragrance like crazy. So anybody that is interested in Mango Skin, hopefully this video has helped you out. Very, very good mango note. And if you are watching and you love the note of mango, please comment below. Let me know what your favorite mango-based fragrances are. I'd love to delve into more of this note or of this genre. I'd love to see what they can do with the note of mango. Some different brands, it could be designer, it could be niche, indie, don't care. So now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below about this particular release, Mango Skin. Do you love it? You hate it? You smelt it? You haven't smelt it yet? I'd love to see all those comments and peruse through the comments section once this is on YouTube. So Mango Skin from Vilhelm Parfumerie, one that I'm happy that I got. Kind of regretting the split. Should have got a full bottle, to be quite honest, but it is what it is, and that's what happens when you blind buy fragrances. So as always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube.